Chris Gilson joining us now, and those spring winds just don't seem to quit.
No, they're going to come back tomorrow as a cold front rolls through, but we are seeing some rain. That's the great news this afternoon. Rain has been falling throughout the day off and on in places like Ruidoso, the Sacramento Mountains, and in the southeast. So a soggy go here along the roadways in Ruidoso, needing that rain gear as you head out, at least in southern New Mexico. Central and northwestern New Mexico on the dry side, not a lot of moisture in place in northeastern New Mexico as well. So most of the rain is falling south of Interstate 40 around the Sacramento Mountains over to Roswell, Carlsbad. We even had some stronger thunderstorms moving through parts of Eddy and Lee County earlier this afternoon, but most of that thunderstorm action has pushed into western Texas. So that heavier rain is continuing to track from the southwest to the northeast over to the southwest. Also have some pockets of rain between Las Cruces and Deming along Interstate 10, and then some light rain in Hidalgo County. So the rain chances will continue for at least southern New Mexico for tonight. And the big story, as we talked about here in Albuquerque, will be the strong gusty winds. More on that in just a moment. But here's a look at the timing of the rain. Monday morning, still some pockets of moderate to even heavy rain around Roswell and Carlsbad. So sending the kids out to the bus stop tomorrow, giving them a jacket and also the rain gear because they're going to need it for at least the first half of the day. Then things quiet down as we head into dinner time and during the overnight hours of Monday and to Tuesday. And Tuesday is going to be a fairly quiet day, seeing a lot of sunshine and temperatures warming back up before a stronger cold front rolls through for the middle of the week. So here's a look at the forecast for the rainfall as we head into Tuesday afternoon. You can see the heaviest rain is going to be in places like Roswell over to Hobbs and Carlsbad. That's where anywhere from about a ½ inch to an inch of rain could fall between now and early Tuesday morning. Here in Albuquerque, again, the big story is going to be those strong gusty winds. That's why we have wind advisories posted for all the areas shaded in yellow. That means we could have wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour, blowing that dust around out of the canyon. If you're near the canyon, that's where the winds will be the strongest. And taking a look at the wind forecast, it's not until after midnight, around 5 o'clock in the morning, that the winds really get going. We're seeing all that yellow. That's where we could have those wind gusts around 50 miles per hour. Then take a look at what happens as we head into the afternoon hours. The strongest winds will be focused in southeastern New Mexico around Roswell, Carlsbad, the Sacramento Mountains. And that's where we could have wind gusts around 60 miles per hour, where you're seeing that red. So it is going to be a windy go along the central mountain chain and to the east, including right here in Albuquerque. So don't be surprised if you hear things rattling outside your house later on tonight and first thing on your Monday morning. Durango, Cortez, Pagosa Springs, you're going to miss out on most of the action, staying dry with just a few extra clouds. Temperatures into the upper 60s to near 70 degrees. But by Wednesday into Thursday, the winds crank up here, bringing the chance for some showers and much cooler temperatures. So remember the light jacket heading out for Wednesday and Thursday with highs falling back into lower 50s. Over to the Four Corners, same situation. You're going to be dry, temperatures into the 60s and the 70s. Much cooler air for Wednesday and Thursday with highs falling back into the 50s. Over to the southwest, the chance for rain off and on tonight. And then we'll dry things out and warm things up a bit for Tuesday into Wednesday. Over to the southeast, periods of rain and even some thunderstorms tonight and first thing on your Monday. Temperatures only into the upper 50s for tomorrow. So it's going to be a cool day tomorrow. Then we're back into the 80s for Wednesday before falling back into the 70s by the end of the week. Over to the northeast, temperatures into the 60s and the 50s with a slight chance for a few spotty showers, especially along Interstate 40. A better shot for showers by Thursday and Friday. And take a look at those high temperatures by the end of the week, back into the upper 40s. Over to the northern mountains, temperatures into the 60s with a chance for some isolated showers. A better shot for rain by Thursday into Friday with cooler air moving in. And then over to the east mountains, of course, those winds picking up, a slight chance for a few showers tomorrow. Better shot by the middle of the week. And in the metro, we'll top out in the 60s with those strong canyon winds, wind gusts around 50 miles per hour. And then we could see some rain showers by the end of the week. And take a look at that high on Friday, a high of only 58 degrees.
Dipping back down.
Yeah, once we had all those 70s and 60s, now cooler air on the way.
All right, Chris, thank you very much. Here's